Today we're talking Apple, price hikes, and why the iPhone 17 Pro might actually be worth the extra cash. So here's the scoop. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 series on September 9, and yep, prices are going up by $50 across most of the lineup. But before you grab your pitchforks, hear me out. This price bump might actually make sense, at least for the Pro model. According to a new leak from Setsuna Digital via Weibo, the iPhone 17 Pro will start at 256 gigs of storage instead of the usual 128 gigs. That's a big jump in base storage. Let's do some quick math. Right now, the iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for 128 gigs, and if you want 256 gigs, that's $1,099. But if the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,049 for 256 gigs, you're technically paying $50 less for the same storage compared to last year. Sneaky, but in a good way. Now the 17 series is also shaking up the lineup. Say goodbye to the Plus model. Apple's replacing it with iPhone 17 Base, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Pricing is expected to look like this. iPhone 17 Air, $949, iPhone 17 Pro, $1,049, iPhone 17 Pro Max, $1,249. The base iPhone 17 might actually dodge the price hike. And of course, we got some juicy upgrade rumors. The iPhone 17 Pro is tipped to feature continuous zoom, a brand new Pro camera app, and fresh color options including orange, Pantone Papaya, dark blue, Pantone Mood Indigo, and dark gray. If the September 9 date sounds familiar, it should. Apple launched the iPhone 16 series on the same day last year, so the timing lines up perfectly. So what do you think? Does the storage upgrade make this $50 hike fair, or is Apple just dressing up another price increase? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Apple leaks and launch news. Lineup this September, and leaks have been hinting that the Pro Max will get a bit thicker and heavier. Why? To fit a larger battery, and today we might have a better idea of just how big that battery could be. According to a fresh post from Weibo leaker Instant Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could pack a battery close to 5,000 mAh. If that number holds up, it would be the largest battery ever in an iPhone. To give you some perspective, here's how the battery sizes compare over the last few years. iPhone 16 Pro Max had 4,676 mAh. iPhone 15 Pro Max came with 4,422 mAh. iPhone 14 Pro Max had 4,323 mAh. So jumping close to 5,000 mAh would mean nearly a 10% increase in battery capacity compared to last year's model. That's a pretty solid boost. Now remember, a bigger battery doesn't always mean a proportional increase in battery life. How long your phone lasts depends on other factors too, like software optimizations in iOS 26 and how efficiently the new A19 Pro chip manages power. Still, if you're looking for the iPhone with the longest lasting battery, the 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be a no-brainer this year. What do you think? Are you excited for this battery upgrade, or do you care more about other features? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this update, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and price for each model in the range to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now and we'll dive right in. First up, we have the iPhone 17. The standard iPhone 17 comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, and for the first time ever, it'll feature a 120Hz LTPO display. The resolution is 1179 x 2556. And it's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. It also boasts a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. The iPhone 17 features the new and improved Face ID sensor, which could allow Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island. The selfie camera is also getting an upgrade with a 24MP front-facing camera. On the rear, you'll find a dual camera setup with a 48MP primary and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 17 is powered by the A19 chipset, comes with 8GB of RAM, and offers up to 1TB of storage. It's powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45 daily fast charging. This model also comes with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. It'll ship with iOS 19 and is expected to launch from around $850 in mid-2025. Next, we have the iPhone 17 Air. The iPhone 17 Air is replacing the Plus model and comes with a 6.6-inch Super Retina LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1290 x 2796 and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It also offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits and is protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. It's incredibly thin at 5mm, making it Apple's thinnest iPhone yet. The front features a 24MP selfie camera inside the dynamic island, and the rear houses a single 48MP camera. The iPhone 17 Air is powered by the A9 chipset, has 8GB of RAM, and offers up to 1 TB of storage. The battery capacity is 4,700 mAh with 45 W fast charging. Just like the iPhone 17, it supports 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and will ship with iOS 19. It's expected to launch from around $950 in mid-2025. Now let's look at the iPhone 17 Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro features a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1206 x 2622 and a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. It's also protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. Despite early rumors, this model will keep the dynamic island. The front camera is upgraded to a 24MP selfie camera, and on the rear you'll find a 48MP primary camera, 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 48MP periscope camera, along with a LiDAR scanner. The iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the 2nm A19 Pro chipset, comes with 12GB of RAM, and offers up to 1 TB of storage. The battery capacity is 3,600 mAh with an upgraded 50 W fast charging. It also supports 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and will ship with iOS 19. The price for the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,050 and is expected to launch in mid-September 2025. Finally, we have the iPhone 17 Ultra. The iPhone 17 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1320 x 2868 and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. It's also protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. Like the other models, it keeps the dynamic island and features a 24MP selfie camera. The rear camera setup includes a 48MP primary, 48MP ultra-wide, 48MP periscope, and the LiDAR scanner. The iPhone 17 Ultra is powered by the 2nm A9 Pro chipset, comes with 12GB of RAM, and offers up to 1 TB of storage. It features a 4,700 mAh battery with 50 W fast charging. It also supports 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and ships with iOS 19. This model is expected to launch from around $1,250 in mid-September 2025. So overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be an exciting release from Apple. There's a focus on chipset improvements and the brand new design. For the first time in years, Apple seems to be really pushing forward with the power of their chipsets and upgraded RAM, offering more versatility. However, given how similar these devices are to their predecessors, I don't think anyone with an iPhone 16 will be rushing to upgrade. But for anyone with an older iPhone or those looking to try out their first iPhone, this will be a great option. There's still some time before the iPhone 17 hits the market in September 2025. But as soon as any new information comes in, I'll share it right away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing.